Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to add Valorant to Nvidia control panel. This tutorial will be quick and simple. Just make sure to subscribe to this channel and leave a like on this video if you will find this guide useful. So once you are on your desktop, you want to right click on it, show more options, and Nvidia control panel. Click on it and open up your Nvidia control panel. After that, you want to click on manage 3D settings. And once you are here, you want to choose program settings here at the top. So once you will click on it, you want to click add option. And from here, you want to find Valorant. Click V and it should find Valorant straight away. Then click add selected program. And after that, you can go ahead and choose your processor if you want to, and also tweak some settings here. And after that, you're going to click apply on those settings. And that's pretty much it. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe and I will see you next time. Bye.